Hello guys, welcome to Can Be YouTube channel. Today I'm going to generate this image by using ChatGPT. So let's go to the video. Firstly, you have to open your usual internet browser and search ChatGPT. Then log to that site and upload the image you hope to use for this generating process, as well as paste the prompt on ChatGPT text box. You can copy this prompt from this video description. I attached it for you as a text. If you used the ChatGPT paid version, you haven't to waste your time and you can get results quickly. If you couldn't get the good result, please try few terms on this method. So now you can see our generated image as a result. If you want to download this image, click the download button of it. So, if you get something for your knowledge from this video, please subscribe our channel and follow us on Facebook, TikTok by using the links on attached this video description, as well as staying with Can Be YouTube channel to watch many videos like that. So, thank you guys, see you soon, bye-bye.